Let's talk about bats. Bats are everywhere. But don't worry, because we're going to tell you how to get rid of them. Step 1. Grab a container. You want this container to be bigger than the bat so it can fit easily inside. Be sure to poke some holes no bigger than 1/8 of an inch so the bat can breathe, but also can't escape. Next, grab some heavy-duty work gloves. Avoid thin materials such as cotton or latex. The bat most likely will bite through that. And don't try to hit it out of the air using a net or baseball bat. If you can, try keep an eye on the bat at all times. Once the bat lands on a surface, place the container over the bat. Then, slowly slide the lid between the bat and the container. Don't close it until the entire bat is in the container. Then, seal the container. Sometimes, the bat can put itself in a warm spot, such as a fur-lined winter boot. If so, carefully place that boot into a large container or garbage bag. Once the bat is safely and securely put into a container, contact your local wildlife conservation or rehab center. Then, you're done.